Okay, so I have a Word document open here called Examples of Bauhaus, and what I'm going to do is take an image from this website along with some text and put that into my Word document. But I'll do the whole thing as an image using Snipping tool. So I click on Snipping tool, which I have on my toolbar at the bottom for ease of use. And I'm going to ignore Try Snip and Sketch right now. I'm going to use the existing tool, New. And there we have it. So I can now draw a box over exactly what it is that I want to capture. Now at this stage I do have some simple tools here, so I can use the highlighter, I can use a pen to circle things. If I'm not happy with that, I can use the eraser to remove it again. So that's the kind of thing that you can do with Snipping tool. I'm just going to click on Copy and then Close, go to my Word document, and then I'll just Control V and paste in what I wanted. Okay, so that is hopefully what everyone knows anyway about Snipping tool. So the new one has some extra features which I will explain now. So this time I'm going to go back to my website. I'll choose another section down here at the bottom, and I'm going to click on the Snipping tool icon again. But this time try Snip and Sketch. So this is what you get now. There's an option now for having a delayed snip, and the reason for that is that if you are wanting to screen capture something that only happens when your mouse is hovering over it, you couldn't do that in the previous version, but you can now by setting a time limit. But for this I'm just going to snip now, and I shall draw a box over the information that I want to capture. So again, I have highlighters up here, and I also have a pen as in the previous version, and there is also now a pencil which has a more translucent look to it. So these things are there. There's also a button here that I can switch on and off, which assists you if you're going to be using a stylus, or even trickier with a mouse, but you want to write, and you can use that to help smooth the operation of especially the mouse, to let you write some simple words on the image. So there's also an undo, there is crop, there's a ruler, so there are more things that you can do with it, along with sharing. And you can see here I could share this to my Dropbox, OneNote, Twitter, or an email. So that's what that does. I'm just going to close that. And in this particular case, of course, what I'm going to do is copy it and close, go back to my Word document, and again Control V to paste in the selection. So there you go. It's very much the same, just has a few extra tools, and that is how the Snipping tool works.